Hey everyone, here's a quick video to show you how to provision your Terraform infrastructure with Heroku. Instead of manually clicking and creating everything, you can write your infrastructure as code and deploy it really quickly. This also helps in a disaster recovery situation where you may not have access to accounts and you need to create new accounts and get your servers up and running really quickly and not lose users and have downtime, etc. So I'm just gonna reload this page to show you that there's nothing created in on my Heroku account, and I'm gonna go into the code quickly. I've already written it just to keep the video short because Twitter has like a really low limit on the video length and size. So the first thing you need to do is create your variables. For Heroku, you'll need an API key. I've just made it the string with X's in, but the correct one is already in place. I just haven't saved this file. And then inside of, you can create another provider file. It can be called whatever you want it to be called. Um, and in your provider file, you just basically gonna specify that the provider is Heroku, the email is your account email on Heroku, and the API key. You can make the email a variable too. It's probably better if you do that. And then I always call my file info.tf. In a real production environment, I'd make these separate and have a Terraform file for each resource. For the purpose of this video, it's all just in one file. So basically what we're doing here is creating a Heroku pipeline, a staging app, a staging database add-on, a production app, a production database add-on, and then we're linking the staging pipeline app to the staging stage and the production app to the production stage. Um, so basically, this is how you do it. All this code is available on the Terraform website and the Heroku websites, I think. And once you're done with that, you'll need to, or even before you do this, you'll need to initialize Terraform in the directory. So you'll go to your directory where you're hosting your infrastructure, um, and then you'll run. Um, Let me just go into that. You'll run Terraform init like this, and then once you initialize it, you'll see the tf state file in the tf state backup. I'm not going to do it because I've already done it. So to create this infrastructure, I'm going to run Terraform apply, and it's going to show me a list of what I'm creating and ask me if I'm sure that I want to do that. You can also do it per resource. I'm just doing all of them. I'm going to say yes because this is what I want to create, and then I'm going to run it, and I'm just going to wait for the results. Cool, it says that 7 resources have been created. I'm going to go and refresh my page. And there it is. There's 2 apps, a staging and production pipeline, and it's got the Postgres add-on as well. And there's a bunch of stuff that are left out, like GitHub integration, etc. Just because I just didn't need to mess with that yet. But in a real world app, you need to add an owner to the pipeline before you deploy it, etc. So that's how you create it. And if you want to destroy everything, sorry, that's my recorder. If you want to destroy everything, then you just run Terraform destroy, and all your resources will be destroyed. So I'll ask you if you want to confirm. I'm going to say yes. And you can also do this per resource. So it says that all has been destroyed per refresh. you'll notice that everything will be gone. Yes, it is. Everything's gone. And what's cool with Terraform is if you already have resources and you run that command, it's not going to create new ones. It'll recognize that the ones that you specified are already there, and it won't create new resources. So it's intelligent enough to know that. So yeah, that's how you provision Heroku resources with Terraform. It's just a very basic tutorial. In real world situations, you'd probably need to install like build packs and stuff for virus scanning and other stuff. But you write the code the same way. You just put it in a Terraform file and you run it.